Okay, guys. So today we're
Today we are going to do some gardening.
yes, in our tiny little front yard, we've actually ripped out a lot of the
Big
landscaping
trees, yeah.
that just it looked nice, but it wasn't doing anything for us. And so while we are here at home and spending a lot more time than we normally do,
Yes.
we've actually made a lot of progress. And I know a little bit about plants, and so we are transforming our front yard into as much edible stuff that we can actually use in some of our cooking recipes as we can. Some of the stuff is not going to last into our very hot summers, but we have nothing to lose. We're going to have fun with it while we have it and see what produces. So today we are.
Oh, before we tell them what we are going to plant, what we already have in our garden.
Okay, so I'm going to grab the camera and I'm going to follow you.
Okay.
How about that?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right, so tell me what we've
First.
got here.
So we have Thai basil here. Kuchu kuchu kuchu. This is Thai basil.
Yes.
And then we have scallion right there in the middle. And then
Right on the side there.
yes, and
We actually took the green onions that we had to cook with and cut the bottom off and actually put those in the ground, and
in one night they already grow.
you will see that they are already pushing new leaves.
And then this one too. I call this ginger.
And Abe planted some ginger here.
Oh yeah, another thing that you have to do when you do a gardening, try not to spend money to build our garden. So whatever I have around the house, like a stones, tiles, anything that can make a box to keep the soil inside, I use that one because I don't want to spend money in this time. So what we do, take a look at this rock.
Yeah, so we've actually been very innovative and creative with stuff that we've had around the house. I had some stones, so we have our therapy walkway here
Yeah, we have a
with our
therapy
bare feet. It feels very good and massaging.
And then
This trellis thing that we made,
yeah,
or
this is
that
the
we
tr-
had, that actually goes on the back of my truck.
Yes.
That we're going to use as a trellis. We're using an organic soil that we just picked up at Home Depot. It wasn't that expensive. I think it was like $7. We're also going to incorporate a bag of cow manure that's also organic.
It's a cow poo.
Yeah, cow poo. Over here, in a previous video, we showed everybody our
this is our
kaffir lime
kaffir lime.
trees. And what has been fun with that is at the base of each of those, we actually have space. So we can
Put
incorporate
eggplant.
all kinds of vegetable seeds there. So we've got eggplant here. We've got a green bean. We also have our Napa cabbage that's doing really well. We've also started around the base of this one, spinach that's coming along. We've got 2 pots of that. And then over here, we've got a little soft leaf lettuce that is delicious already, and it's so soft and delicate. Some broccoli growing in here that's coming along. We have some zucchini, and we've got flowers coming out there, so we're very excited about that. We've got 2 tomato plants right here. They're doing well. Abe planted some turmeric. That is a really important seasoning in Indonesian food. We've got some cucumbers that are going to grow up on this trellis kind of thing that we've built here. So it's going to be really fun, especially when we start being able to harvest a couple things here and there to cook with. So it's going to be really exciting. Huh? I'm gonna start putting some of this in here.
Here too. Yeah, this is nothing here. If you can do what you want to do there.
I only see 4. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it's only 4.
So guys, we're going to be adding more soil. So guys, we made these little sections and we're going to be amending it with a little cow manure. And I'm gonna add some soil in here and potting soil, garden soil that we bought at Home Depot.
Okay.
That will just kind of amend the soil that we have here and make it a little bit more breathable and a term that I remember called loamy, and it's nice and fluffy for the plant roots to grow in.
Okay, what next?
So you don't need a huge amount. We're only putting in this section here like a half a bag.
Okay.
We're going to use more over here. I'm going to spread it out a little bit. So when I was growing up, I grew up in the country in Virginia. We had the real cow manure. I just went to my grandfather's farm and got it for our garden, and we put it in these big machines that would spread it across the fields.
Why don't we just take directly the poo from the cow?
Well, if you lived in the country, you could, but can't do that here. All right, do another thing of cow manure over there.
Yeah. I don't want to touch the cow manure.
You don't have to.
Here, the cow manure. And then we have the therapy walk. We should not wearing sandals now, so we can.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. So we're preparing these areas because we actually had ordered seeds and we got them in the mail yesterday. So we're really excited about planting those today. Trying to pull up some of the weeds that are starting to pop up here already. Hopefully I can keep them under control. Because we also don't want to use any pesticides, any herbicides in here as much as possible. So if we're diligent, it could work. What, here? Thank you very much for watching. We're enjoying our little garden here, and please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and share with all your family and friends.
And then don't forget to use your time as useful as possible, especially in this situation.
Yes, be productive.
Yeah,
we're
be
finding
productive.
that it's
gardening.
It's good for us
Yes.
to find some way to continue being productive.
Yes.
And
One of them.
This is one of them that
Yes.
we're finding,
Yeah.
and So it keeps our mind off of other things that are going on.
Yeah.
So
Just have fun.
Just have fun.
Yeah.
Find something to do. So thank you for watching again.
Thank you so much.
And remember, make the world tastier
with
17,000 flavors of Indonesia.
And the fresh ingredient
The
that you
fresh
can get.
ingredients as much as you can.
Thank you and
Thank you
bye-bye.
and bye-bye.